When Mom trims our dog and we pretend her fluff is her.
Oh, what's wrong? Okay, I'll look after her. You guys go. Oh, she's gone. Oh my god. Go away. Go away, all of you, please. Go away. Go away. Go away, all of you. What's happening? Go away.
Dobby, Blue Blue.
Do you want to go take a bath? You want to go take a bath?
Get your dog ready for a walk and pretend like you forgot them.
Hi! I'd like to speak to Celio regarding the purchase of treats and also ice and food. Yeah, we do have some chicken available. Yeah, and water. Yeah, you can just come outside and we'll play it by ear. Otherwise, I can send it over in a crate. Oh yeah, and the brush.
Ow, hi. อ้าวพ่อหาย
Oh, I got it. Yep. Come.